I forgot it's not deep. Hey guys, you know where we haven't been in a while?
Where?
We haven't been in I forgot the name. I think it was called
Radio Falls,
Radio
right?
Springs. Radio
Radio
Springs. There you
Springs?
go.
Oh, there we go. Oh, we haven't been there in a long time.
Yeah, should we go there?
Didn't they close down like a month ago?
Yeah, but I heard it's a good place on vacation tender.
Okay. Sure, let's go. Oh, beautiful morning, dude.
Good morning.
Good
It
morning.
took one day to get here, dude.
Yes.
Got here late at night.
You got us to do this.
Hey, water guns!
Ouch! My eyeball.
I don't know.
Where's the radio?
I don't. Oh wait, I found it. Someone took it.
Oh, can you bring it over? Gotta see if we can find any signal. I don't know if we can even find any signal out here. In the middle
Found
of
it.
nowhere. We set up camp. It's not working. Okay, looks like we could just turn that off.
Alright,
Looks
you're
like
a
we're.
piece of crap.
Guess we're going. Where's it? I forgot.
It's over there.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, go.
Okay, now we're here.
Yo. Hey, look, it's a skull. It must be because it's dangerously fun.
Danger, do not enter.
That means we can enter, dude.
Okay, let's
Because
go.
that means they're blocking all the fun.
Let's go, little Timmy. Why is it very... There's a lot of vines. What is this
I don't know.
goop, dude? Ouch. Okay, warning.
Shrek
This
nut.
area is contained due to the rapid spreading natural, viral, organic substances.
Okay, yeah, it's just organic, right? Plus, why is green? Why is Shrek's nut everywhere?
Why is it... Oh.
Hey, the light!
Let me grab my light real quick. Wait. This isn't my light. This is not my light. Okay.
Hey, don't worry, I got a light for you, buddy.
Okay. Let me bring my. I don't know. Hold on. Let me put this up real quick. Okay, let's go.
Hey, come on, hurry up! I need to get the condensate. Wait, no.
Okay.
I need to
why
get
does
to
it look
the-
so different, dude. What happened to this place?
Ow! Burns! I don't
What
know.
happened to this place? It used to be where you could hang out and just look at all types of trees here. It was a nice little. It
Yeah.
was also a park. What happened to this? This entrance is not the same.
You don't remember we used to enter through here?
No, this was not the same cave.
What the heck? Hey, dude! Hey, dude! Are those glasses Ray-Bans or something?
give me your flashlight. Give me the flashlight real quick. Let's
Okay.
see how far of a drop that is.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's about to drop it.
Uh.
You dropped your flashlight!
Ah! Ouch! My head. Oh. Oh. My head.
Wake up!
This is not the same place. No,
No. Maybe up there will be the same place.
Ouch!
The same green sludge. Go
Hey,
bar!
gold. Why does this look like the sewers?
Hey,
Let's go over here.
there's a guy. Okay.
Wait, I think I remember this. I think it's clean. Why does this look so different? Hey, look, a chicken!
Hey! Chicken!
That is not a chicken. That is not a chicken. Ouch!
Run!
Ah!
Hey, you awake?
Okay. Yep. What happened?
Okay. So?
Did I get knocked out?
Yeah, you got knocked out by a chicken.
Same.
Last
Code
code was
1, 2, 3, 4, but they changed it. Huh?
Another chicken go boom boom!
Timmy? I don't think we should be going this far. This doesn't seem normal. Timmy, what is that?
Don't worry, Timmy has a shotgun.
Timmy, what is that?
I am Swag Messiah. Oh no. The box got flew away.
What is this?
I don't remember this place.
Code? I don't remember this either. Never been like this before. Oh! Kill it! Kill it! Stab its eyeball!
Die! It's taking forever. Oh, never mind. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, never mind. That's pretty crazy.
It's a
Hey,
slug
look!
kind of thing. What's this?
Revolver
There's bullets. It's ammo. Hey, what are slugs?
Slugs? Ooh, I'm
There's
hungry.
slugs on the floor.
Whoa!
Or on the ground.
Whoa! Whoa!
Timmy? Are you
I
okay?
feel funny. I feel funny. And it's okay. Come on.
Where do we go now?
Let's go over here, I think. I think I remember. I think we go over here. Hey, look, a bear
What do
trap.
you mean you think you remember? This is not the same place as before. This place
Yes,
has
it
been shut
is.
down for months. Or no, never mind, just a month. Are you kidding me? Chicken's back. Kill it.
We killed him. Hey, you know what sounds good?
What?
Hold on, I need to find it. Alright, hey, look!
Oh!
Water test.
What sounds good?
Chicken.
You really want to eat these chickens? No.
Yes. But
Okay.
it
Let's go.
probably gives me power.
Let's go.
Hey, look, see? The river, like I said.
This is not the same river. This is
Let me
not.
see then. Whee! Feels the same. Oh, hey, chicken!
Ah!
Oh, here, our chicken. Chicken, come here.
Okay, let's kill him. Okay, you got some turkey for me?
You hungry?
Sure. I'll take it. Really?
Yeah.
You better.
Okay, buddy.
Timmy, you
Hi.
better. Ah! Oh. Ugh.
See you later.
Oh.
I have fart smell.
Let me put this in my bag real quick.
Oh, another chicken!
Okay. What the heck is down here?
I don't know.
Come on, dude, let's do some. Timmy, just think of it as parkour whenever you're playing your video games, okay? Think of it as parkour.
Parkour! Parkour! Ow. You okay, bud? Yo, I think it's water. I need water.
When
Ow!
does this acid hurt?
Ow.
Or no? When does this water hurt? This
duh,
is just a
it's
regular
acid.
lake. This
Yeah.
doesn't seem like acid in it. How can we get up? I can't do that.
Jump as fast as- Come on, you need some water.
Ready, set, go.
Just flow down the river. Flow down the river.
I'm going to die.
No! Run over here. You're like when I had enough
Oh, I
skin
barely
to
made
bring you
that.
in.
Oh, barely made it.
You're lucky that you had enough skin to save you.
Huh.
Ah!
Oh, let's climb up. Let's climb up, Timmy.
Hey, there's a bunch of do not enter signs. I think this is where the fall is.
The what?
The waterfall. Oh yeah, don't step on that. Last time I did it, I went boom boom.
Wait, you've been here before?
Yes. And I have a bunch of golden eggs and food. Here's some yum-yums.
Lab? You just still said of a science lab?
No.
Let's do. Whoa.
Yeah. Also have a shield.
Oh. Why do I feel fresh and new, dude?
It's superfood. I stole it from the war.
Whew.
I totally wasn't in the war when you guys weren't.
I think I hear something.
Hey!
Sounds like those worms. We're walking again. Sounds like those
Hey,
worms.
look! See? It's a vacation spot. See? It has palm trees.
Oh, I can't see. What the heck is this? What is
Hey,
this
look,
place?
some doors. Oh. Those doors open and shut. The doors go open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut.
Oh crap, there's another worm.
What do we do?
Get up here. Let's climb. If we can. And there's an if you can. There's another chicken.
What's up, bub? Okay, I'm sorry, bub.
There's two of them, or soul should be invisible. Don't get eaten!
Get him.
I saved you!
Thank you. Open it.
Open the crates!
Open it. Oh, crap.
A pump loop, dude!
Come. Stay back. Cartoon.
And kill him!
Okay. Kill him.
Kill it! Kill it!
He survived.
What's
He
in here?
miraculously
Oh.
survived. Throughout this whole entire thing, we've done nothing but almost get killed.
What is this
Hey!
adventure, dude?
Chicken! Why are you back there?
I can't go through.
I guess you could say this is one of Timmy's adventures.
What is this adventure, dude?
The chicken, you monkey.
Oh my gosh, there's a worm. There's a worm. Watch out!
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Kill it.
You're right.
Oh
What's up,
crap.
bub?
Eat that dog. Okay, now I'm going to. Okay, guys, that was episode 1 of Timmy Adventure, and okay, this is Timmy.
Keep
Jimmy? I'm Jimmy. And that was the end of episode 1.